So in these waning moments of daylight left, what I gotta show you guys, new problem in the Beetle. Let me kick this volume way down just in case. No copyrights. So, the washer fluid. I was like, where's it at? Literally, where's it at? It ain't spraying out or nothing. So I come over here. We have a crack in the line right here. See that big old gash? It's just spraying out of there. And thus, we have to do a little bit of a repair. It looks like there's a connection point here, but it's just split, actually twice. Once here and once here at the rubber elbow. So I'm wondering if I can just disconnect this elbow and attempt to replace just this section. So I will find out. Let me see if I can show you this while it's attempting to spray out. Let's see if I can just set you up right here right quick. All right, you saw it live. It's attempting to come through, but it's just dripping a little bit. It's probably real low at this point also in the reservoir, so I'll top that off. But let me see about getting this guy loose. Just dry rotted, you know, rubber lines, plastic lines, so that's nothing major. Hey, this car's almost driven me 30,000 miles around, all around the country and to work and back many times. So something real small and simple like this, no computers or electronics involved, I'll absolutely take that as an easy repair over all this other stuff nowadays on these modern cars. So thank you. We'll get you an update. All right, we got the Milwaukee tower light out, and all I did was I pulled this black release tab back, and then this guy slid out of it, and you can see it's just real cracked up here. And what I did, the other side was so tight on that I just took a razor blade and I skinned away just one side till I could open up and pop off. So now we just have to make a hose fit on to this connection here, then get this guy out so I can put it back into here and just make up the gap with this length. And you see it takes a crazy bend. I have a couple different hose sizes here. I can try it, but I'm worried they're gonna kink like crazy. So I'll see if I can come up with a solution here. Okay, so the bigger inside diameter of the two hoses I have work. The smaller diameter, it's like 1/8 of an inch on the inside diameter. This one's maybe 3/16 at the most. It's a little tight fit, but if you just put a little spit on the plastic fitting, that'll help lube it up and you can press it on. And I'll just cut a length of it, and then you'll see everything back together in the next clip here. Okay, dusk has fallen, almost night here, but the easiest 50-cent fix you ever saw in your whole life. Don't you dare take this to a dealership or to a shop when a razor blade, little piece of tubing, and some spit is literally all you need. Top off your washer fluid. It's pack of 2 for $7 at Costco. And as you can see, it doesn't quite kink it, but it does almost put a U-turn on it. I'll put you guys down here. And we got the key on. We got the light on, but watch this. When I pull the stalk, can't see. Look at that. Splash in the face. Gotta love an easy fix. Okay. Thanks for watching. Got the orange stuff in there. Don't drink it.